Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to send a picture as a normal snap in Snapchat. So what you need to do first is you go to your Snapchat app. After that you have to click on chat. You have to open the conversation that the person you want to send the snap. Then you have to click on this picture button. After that you have to select the picture you want to send as a snap. I'm gonna click this. After that you have to click on this pen icon. Then you have to click on this scissor icon that is right here. After that you have to just scroll on this. You have to make sure that this cover the whole picture. Please watch till the end to solve your problem. I'm gonna do this again. Please subscribe this channel if you find the solve in this video. Then you have to click on done. After that you have to click on this back icon. Then you are gonna send a snap to your friend. Then you have to click on this camera button icon and then click a picture. Okay, then what we are gonna do is add the sticker we just make. Click on this sticker icon button in the third option. We just make this sticker right now. We are gonna click on this. After that we have to drag this picture to cover this whole picture. Okay, so I'm gonna send to this person. So this is the snap I'm gonna send to this person. So that's how you can send a picture as a snap on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel and like this video.